Yes, I should have used the grill today, but as you see, we have a storm Amy on the way in, so we cannot do anything today. So my plan for today is the Gourmet BBQ System, as you know, is this one. Many of the grills in Weber have this, and in the newer one, I will not go out to the grill as you can see, but they have this one instead. So they put instead of the grate, and then you can use that to put the GBS in. Today I will do stir-fried apple with cardamom and vanilla sauce. I'm gonna do it on the Genesis, and I'm gonna do it with the GBS system. As you see, there is a lot to choose in the GBS system, Gourmet BBQ System, but we only gonna use the wok today to do the stir-fry apple. I have been working with grilling for over 30 years. During that time, I have thousands of people learn how to make them be a better griller. Not by making it complicated, but showing how simple techniques can give you amazing result. On our channel, I guide you through everything you need to know about grilling to do it on the next level. Whether you're going to use a charcoal, gas or electric, I'm going to teach you how. So whether you just starting out or have been grilling for years, I'm here to share the practical tips, the recipe, tricks, and to help you to make the grilling to your next level and maybe be the best in your neighborhood. So hit that subscribe button, fire up the grill, and let's get started. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a new level of grilling. Okay, we're going through the Genesis now so you know how that grill works. First of all, always lift the lid first. Otherwise you can get a big surprise. Open the gas and turn on like that. Why you should do it in that way? Because if you have put the gas, you have that down, and you have put this on, and your wife or kid calling you and you forget about it and you come and push, I promise that wall is not there anymore. So we do it the right way. But first we're going through, yes, maybe you think the grate should be on that because it's sharper, but no, because of this the heat get to more. That will be hotter than today. This is what gives the taste to the meat, same as happened in the charcoal grill. When it dropped down to the charcoal, it is really hot, then it go back up to the lid and down to the meat. Same happened with this flavorizer. The rest going down, and meet this that also keep the warm. And in the end, it's coming out here and down in this. In the new grill, you don't have this, I'm gonna show here now, Now we're gonna use the GBS system. You have to buy that by itself. So you have to take out the heat probe, take out this, put this inside, like this, and you have a small one here. So you put like this. So now it's finished to start working. I'm gonna use the wok. It's an old wok, but still going strong. So, and I'm gonna turn this free. As I said, I have already put on the gas. So we only do like this. And now when this starts to get hot, I will fix the apple. The apple I do like this. The easy way to do it. I got really nice red apple. And we only do like this. I have not, see, easy. I have not used the grill since I cleaned it. That's why it comes so much smoke. So now the apple is finished. Now we will start in the grill. And it's hot, I can promise you that. So. Cardamom. You can have cinnamon also to it. Honey, if I can open it. So. And it's still windy here today, as you can hear. Oh, it's smelling so good. It starts to get soft and nice now. Yes, I have washed the apple before, so that's why I let the skin, because it gets so much more taste with the skin. So now when we wait, we just close again. So many of you ask if I sponsor a Weber, and I said no. I have worked with Weber for over 30 years. I have worked like a show outside the stores how to make with the grill. I have worked with the grill masters in Sweden to teach people how to grill. I have worked like a merchandiser to to help the stores to build up there. But if I get paid for this, no, I don't. This is a lifestyle for me. For the near 40 years I have grilled with Weber. Everything I use nearly is from Weber. A knife, forks, knives, everything that I use, even the plates I have is from Weber. So for me it's a lifestyle. Someone say I'm crazy, but I love the style. So now we see what's happening here. Still not soft, we have to wait a little more. So, finish, and it looks so marvelous. Don't try to take that with your fingers because that's hot, I promise you that. So use gloves, it can take heat. So what you say, marvelous, right? Oh. Now I take this out. That can stay, and you just put the lid on like that, and then it's finished. This is not in the new one. This is 1 year old Genesis, so I have that, and I have the GBS included. So now we go in. Here I come with the apple, and they look delicious. So now we should fix only vanilla, of course. So, take a plate like this. Just look so nice. Stir-fried apple with cardamom and vanilla sauce and some honey. Hope you do it yourself. For next time, it's not gonna be anything on next Sunday, but I know just now because I have to go somewhere. But the week after, I'm back again. So don't forget to subscribe here and click on the bell that you like, because it's really good for me and the YouTube algorithm if you start subscribe and like my videos that I do. So have a nice week.